Not able, believe me, I'm not able to stand properly. What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life at Sea, season number 4. We are in the port of Cotonou and our ship is finally loaded and not empty, just a few bays empty, which will be loaded in the next port. And we are in a terminal. We've got multiple ships over here, ro-ro ship, bulk carriers, tankers at the end, and we are just at the end of the jetty. There is no more room for our stern. So it's going to be an interesting maneuver. We are going to be departing soon for a final passage of 5-6 days voyage. Otherwise we were doing this African coasting, and I'm so happy we are done with it because it has been really long and I have not been able to sleep properly. So I'm looking forward to it. I want to give you all an example of how an artificially made berth looks like. So that is the South Atlantic Ocean. Those are the breakwaters. And originally the water used to come all the way till there. That was the coastline. But then due to progress and infrastructure development, they made a jetty from there all the way till the aft till the end. And now container ships, then this is the container terminal. So container ships with deep drafts can also come inside here. More crystal clear example. This is all artificially made by putting in mud, sand, cement, all of that. So yeah. That's about it. Guys, I am so happy to be back at sea. You have no idea. This African coasting was for more than 25 days and it was very tiring. So guys, that was the last port which we are on, Cotonou in the Gulf of Guinea, and the next port is Walvis Bay, on the port where I signed on. Around 1594 nautical miles to go. We are facing some bad thunder clouds as you see on top, and the sea has become absolutely dark blue, grayish kind of color as you see. Sandeep, how are you guys? Anand?
Hi.
Anand is our new deck cadet. He signed on in the last port, and today I'm going to give him his first assignment, which is Anand, we have to change these posters. Huh?
Okay.
Put the new ones, yeah?
Okay.
So both the sides.
Okay.
Right. So we have 2 deck cadets now, but one is leaving. Now you will see more of Anand because Sandeep has to sign off in the next port, yeah? Anand, don't be shy, huh? Don't worry. Like the oxygen acetylene bottle. So the cadets are working there and I have come to do the other work. So this is how we distribute work sometimes, and cadets are very helpful for small jobs like these, you know. It's always good to be in the heart of the sea, because in ports it's okay for just one day but not for 2-3 days sports day. You know, the 6-on-6 off really is killing. But anyway, everything is secured for the high seas. Our anchors are lashed. The mooring ropes, they will coil it back. That's why the door is open there. The guys are working. And yeah, I had come for a routine deck round to see if nothing has been stolen in the port and all the life-saving appliances are still on board. Alright, come on. Chalo. Yeah. Let's game. Need to get permission from captain and battery, we have to just put this knob to manual mode and just press start, it will automatically connect to breaker. The breaker is here and for emergency breaker we have, this is the emergency breaker. So guys, that's how we had our drills today, and when I came up on the bridge I saw that the weather has really gone bad. I don't know if the anemometer is showing it correctly, showing 16 knots from the front, but outside it looks more than that definitely. So I will check the anemometer. Welcome on the bridge. Today we have few jobs related to radar. We are going to fix the performance test. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Sandeep, so this is our checklist which we have to cover, and we start with the S-band radar, and in the main section we will have this test menu. Yeah, so from here we'll start our procedures. So we just should be okay. So this is the performance test of the radar, and we have certain values which we have to note down, and there are instructions that if there are values go below this decibels, then we have to call the service engineer and everything. So guys, I have asked Sandeep to check the passage plan for his last voyage because he's going home after that, and he's very happily doing it. Yeah, Sandeep?
Yeah, of course.
From Wallace Bay to TPP. Yeah?
Wallace Bay.
Because of the headwinds, our vessel has also started pitching slowly. I don't know if you can see it, but a lot of white foam is getting gathered around because wind speed has increased. You can see the white horses developing. So that's the situation right now. Anand has been given some the worst job, I would say, of stenciling. So senior cadet Sandeep is on the computer with the good work, and junior cadet is with the bad work. But don't worry, Anand, you will be here soon. Anand is here for feminization of the bridge today. He's a very curious soldier, so I'm showing him all the fire alarms. And Anand, this is the first time you're seeing this equipment, sir?
Yes,
Yeah.
it is too old.
Yeah, it's a old. Sandeep, don't laugh. Yes. Those who have followed me know in Emma and Monkeybo we had very good integrated systems, but basic is also good, Anand.
Yeah.
You will learn more, huh?
I'm here for 6 months.
6 months, so you'll learn. Just got a good workout done, and I always keep my food outside. So today we have some veg momos, rice, piece and 1 piece chicken. I have to have chicken, otherwise there is no other protein source here, unfortunately. So yeah, then we start our watch. So guys, we are midway in our journey today. Still around 788 miles, 45 hours to go, and the weather outside has actually become very cold. I've started wearing my hoodie. It's around 20 degrees Celsius outside. So yes, good to be back in the cold. Sandeep, come, we will advance the clock today by 1 hour.
Okay.
I'll show you. Do you know how to do it? Just always follow instructions. Press UTLT. Guys, we will be back. Now what will happen is that the slave and the ship's clock, which is the same, will suddenly advance to 1400, and that's how we will lose 1 hour today, Sandeep. Only 23 hours, huh? Are you happy? Less work. And also less rest, guys. Guys, we are literally facing force 5, force 6 winds. You will hear it now. It's getting really, really bad. I cannot stand. I cannot stand. It is our last day of reaching the port, and we have faced really, really bad weather somehow. You'll see the wind speed has reached 34, 35 knots, and you'll see a lot of white horses being formed. So, yeah, I couldn't sleep last night because of this sudden rolling. We are trying to assess the weather. I'll just show you what we are doing. We are into this heavy dark red maroon kind of place. I'm going to activate the spot weather, and you will see exactly the sea state and everything. So swell is southwest, risk height 3.7 meters, wind gusting to 38, 40 knots. So these are all the parameters we are getting, and in real time also we are facing this, so it's absolutely true. Yeah, heavy weather checks are being carried out. Today we were supposed to have barbecue party, but as you all see, this is not possible at all. You saw the inclination of the ship. So yeah, slowly rolling, but everything should be okay because we are reaching the port tomorrow. Anand is trying to fix a video for his first time experience in Atlantic. Yeah,
Rolling.
you're rolling. Are you feeling sick by any chance?
No.
You're fine, huh?
Thank God.
Thank God. So we are rolling not much actually, just 10 to 15 degrees at times. So it's still okay, but after some time in at south during the Cape Town, you might feel some seasickness. We will cover that and how he is going to tackle it. Not possible. Not possible. Yeah, we're trying to record it. It is the day of the arrival. Actually, I did not get any sleep last night because we altered the course at around 8 a.m. As you will see, we were going like this when the swell was on our head on, but after we've altered, it's coming onto our starboard shoulder. So the vessel is rolling quite a lot, and we rolled almost. Okay, we are still rolling. You see the tilt. We went almost till 20 degrees, and I woke up by that. Everything fell down in the cabin. So very rough night. Yeah, I hope we are not this light drafted after the departure. Guys, I am not able. Believe me, I'm not able to stand properly. So it's that bad. See the horizon, the inclination. As per the weather forecast also, you guys can see we were in this dark brown maroon patch, which indicates very bad weather, heavy winds, and the swell direction. I will just show you the grid. I'll check this, and you'll see it is hitting us from the beam, which is not good because it is impacting us directly for the roll. So I'm dying to reach Wallis Bay. Have a look at the angle now with the horizon. Crazy. This really, really bad. This is not good. Everything is like really bad condition. Look at the inclination. I am so happy. I just called the port control on our channel 12. Our pilot will be on arrival. Arrival checklist is started, and the terminal jetty is empty over here. So we are going in. Will be I think in the third observer, so I will be sleeping. Because I need to sleep, and it's good because we'll be in the channel without any swell, so I can catch up, and then we have 6 on 6 off. So I finally got my beauty sleep, and when I woke up I saw that the gantry cranes are parked. That means we have reached the port, and I slept for 3-4 hours, which is supremely satisfying. And all the things in my cabin have just been displaced. Luckily the laptop was safe, and rest all of that I have to clean up now. So yes, sleep is the most important thing, I believe, because without that the mood gets cranky all the time. At least it happens with me. I don't know if it happens with you all. Do let me know if it happens with you all as well. So Anand, welcome to Wallace Bay. How was your last night with the rolling?
It was not good.
Not good, yeah?
No.
Very terrible.
First time experiencing this rolling.
Because of the small ship.
Yeah.
So tomorrow Anand will go to the shore. Yes, because this is the only port in the route where there is some good shore leave. So you do that, and now we will prepare the bridge for the next ocean voyage, which is a long ocean voyage to TPP. So yeah, I took Anand down over here onto the jetty to show him how the ship is looking from the forward. And on that note, let's close this episode and hope you all gained some good information. If you did, don't forget to, what do you say?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Thank you guys.